Hello students, in the previous video you have learned on how to create different types of charts. Here we will be doing on customizing the chart using list. Customizing a chart means the possible ways on which you can give title, legends, and restricts the number on x-axis or y-axis and so on in the chart. So let me explain to you with the help of this program. Here we are customizing this with the help of list for name and subjects. Here we have the name of 4 students as well as the subjects such as English and IP for those 4 students. So these are the list. After that, we are restricting the limit for the y-axis. Here, for example, I am taking 60 to 100. So after that, we are plotting only the name and subject English. So for that, the color is blue, and for the name and IP, the color is red. So here you can see the label also I have mentioned, and after running the program, here is the output. You can see here blue color is for English and red color is for IP. By specifying the color in these 2 lines, then we are getting the output as shown here. Next, what happens if we remove the label? So let me remove these 2 labels and run the output again. So run the program and you'll get the output. So here you can see there is no difference. Even if I did not mention label, still we are getting the same output. We can provide the label name if we want to give a legend. Suppose here for English and IP, English is blue color and IP is red. If you look at that output, you will not understand which one is which color. So here I am specifying the legend and the location is to the upper left. So after that, if I run this program, you can see the output. There is a legend on the top upper left of the chart. So here easily you can see that blue color represents English and red color represents IP. So with the help of legend, here if I change the position or the location, see it is to the right side after I have changed or edit the codes in line number 9. Here in this program, we are plotting the name of students along with their subjects, the marks in each subject. Here let me change. Now instead of name, I will take roll number. So for roll number, we don't need to specify as strings, just write simple roll number. And then we have to change here also. So let me change to roll number. Now after running the program, you can see the difference between these 2 charts. In the first chart there are names and in the second chart there are roll numbers. So you can customize the chart as per your requirements. Now here let me specify the label for x-axis using xlabel. So here x-axis are the roll numbers, and also for y-axis, so the label is marks. So let me take marks. So here you can see the output. The labels are coming in the x-axis as roll number and marks in y-axis. Again here, if I want to change the name, then I have to change here in line number 7 and 8 also. So I have to change the name in the x-axis also, because now the label is not roll number, it is name. So here name should be the name of the students. If you want to change, then you can change in line number 3. You can specify the name of students in line number 3. So I'll leave it for you to do that. Now let me add a title for this chart, because by looking at this chart we might not know what is the purpose of this chart. So here let me give the name as students mark sheet or mark sheet. So here the title of the chart is mark sheet. Then only you will understand that this chart is meant to display the marks and roll number of the students. Here in the xlabel I wrote name, you have to change that to roll number. So when you compare these two charts, you can see the difference. There, one is with title and the other one is without title. And here the limits also we can change. It is up to you, whatever you want to specify, you can do that. So now let me take as 20. The minimum is 20. So again, you can compare these two charts. After changing the number from 60 to 20, the output also is changing accordingly. Because here the marks, the minimum marks start from 75. So that's why in the previous graph, in the previous chart, it was starting from 75 and the limit was from 60. But here it is from 20. So now if I change this number to 25, so the output also will change. Now you can see the marks for IP, one of the marks is 25. So you can test by yourself like this by providing any values for the subjects, and you can specify the X label, the Y label, the limits, the legends, the title as per your requirements. This is just one of the example of customizing the charts using list. After you understand this, you can try any chart, you can plot any chart and customize them as per your requirements. Thank you for watching and keep practicing.